Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox the lion brand yarn I ordered the other day. First, this is Shawl In A Ball. These are the yarn I got. I purchased $2 each on sale, and shipping cost was $6, so it's about $3.2 each. It's still very good deal. Okay, so this is full medium, 481 yard, 5.3 ounce, 6mm for crochet hook, 5mm for knitting. Cotton 58%, acrylic 39%, and 3% other fiber. This color called, where is it? Zen Azalea. Yellow, orange, dark orange, and red. It's very beautiful color. It reminds me of sunset. Okay, next is this color. This is Jade Pool. It's really beautiful green. I love light green to dark green and a little black. Dark green. It's beautiful. Simple color change, but beautiful. I love this. And this one called reflective crystal. This is yellow, green, yellow, gray, purple, orange. It's really beautiful color change. It's like bird. What kind of bird it is? Parrot like. Okay, next, this color is this is Pastel Pixie. Green, blue, purple, and gray. It's beautiful color change and sparkling color inside. And the last one is this. It's called Prism. Purple, blue, green, blue, and brownish green. I don't know the color name is. Orange, brown, and sparkling, blue sparkling. It's beautiful color too. Okay. Which one is my favorite is difficult question. This one or this one or this one. I don't know. Which one do you like most? If you have a preference, comment please. Thank you. Bye.